So we're in Lee on the trolley line and we came across this. So what do you think that is? Complete with sluiceway and opening for the sluice, and your water power, your water wheel would be here. This is unreal. I cannot believe how great shape this is in.
It's incredible.
Oh, look at how big. Wait. There you guys see how this, how tall you think this is?
Probably 10 feet here. 10 feet more.
At least 10 feet tall.
Yeah, above the stream bed, more than 10 feet. And what's left in the center probably used to be 20 feet. The building would have gone straight across the stream.
Wow.
See where I'm putting it.